Welcome to our channel, Dinopedia. Today we're going to learn how to make a volcano with kinetic sand. So first you squish it. You basically make a mountain first, but that's not exactly what you do. So this is what you do. It's like do this. You could, as you can use the knife too, but don't use a real knife which you use for cutting food. Just use a butter knife. Now you just put a hole inside it. See? Now just squish out the ends. Now put this lava shooting out. Okay, so no, just take some from the mountain and it's okay. Just yeah, and now just do this. Now just put another hole. Now you just you could just it's this, not it's thing shooting out. Make the lava like this shooting out. See? You take all the kinetic sand you have to do this. But if you have lots and lots of kinetic sand, just use this much. Now you just add it, squish it in, squish it in.